Today we are going to learn ternary or conditional operator. Now let's get started. Ternary or conditional operator is a shorthand for if else. It has very simple syntax. First you need to write the condition, then you need to use question mark, then you need to write the expression on true what you need to execute, then you need to write colon, and you need to write the expression on false, that is an else block. Let's convert this code to an ternary operator. It's very simple. As I said, first we need to write the condition num modulo 2 equal to 0, then I need to use the question mark. Here I just need to print even, so just I'm going to write even, then on colon need to write an else block. Here I'm going to write odd, and I need to wrap this inside console.log so that it can print in the screen. Now let's save this code and run. Let's see the result in the output. Here you can see we got the number 8, and both my previous and the latest code which I written using ternary operator given the same result. Thanks for watching.